4 weird monkey sounds you'd never want to hear in a dark forest. If you heard these monkey sounds in the middle of a dark forest, you'd freeze. 4. Siamang Monkey. This monkey uses an inflatable throat pouch to blast haunting calls. The echo sounds unreal, like something calling you deeper into the trees. 3. Proboscis Monkey. That giant nose isn't for looks. It amplifies a low, honking roar that feels wrong in the darkness. 2. Silver Gibbon. Fast, sharp, human-like screams slicing through the night air. You'd swear someone was yelling for help. 1. Howler Monkey. This is the loudest monkey on earth. Its roar sounds like a monster breathing in the shadows. Once you hear it, the forest never feels silent again. Which one terrified you the most? Subscribe, like, and comment for more creepy animal sounds.